I'm so happy because, I was not expecting that, and now I'm not only representing my country and my purpose, but also the whole continent of America. And it is such a huge responsibility. Now we have a schedule with Miss World to work a lot, to give our best, and I want to represent them and make my fellow sister feel proud. So now my future plans is just to be the best Miss World America I can. I just want to give my best and to be with them, to work with them, and to visit different places, visit different communities, and share the love that Miss World is all about. My important journey. I think the important part of my journey is that I never forget to be who I am, because in this modern world sometimes we get lost with the so many information, so many opportunities, so many different things, and then when you embrace who you are not afraid, just to stand for your dreams, go forward and be who you are. So that's the most important part of my journey. Oh, Hyderabad was just outstanding. I've been to so many places, but Hyderabad is definitely one of the best because you have so much to offer, not only about culture, colors, and vibrancy, but tradition and history, and it's something just magical. So I'm telling everyone to come to Hyderabad to feel this experience because it was the best feeling of my life.